Celebration 2014.
This is the place to be. Thank you to Greg for organizing this incredible group of people here on the beach, enjoying one another's company, enjoying the abundance, the possibility, and just connecting with like-minded individuals. It's fantastic. San Diego, baby. This is amazing.
Loving San Diego and being here with this amazing company. Rock on.
Celebration!
Hey, how are you? Oh, I know what you're going to do with this. Fantastic night for a fantastic group of people to get together and have a bonfire. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Good night.
Go Isagenix.
Oh, sorry. Go Isagenix.
Hey guys, just want to shoot you a quick video out here on the beach at a bonfire with a whole bunch of teammates. Life is really good. Check out that scenery out there. Show them it, Greg. You truly can't have it all. We got a ton of people here. This is a great turnout. Like I said, thank you for setting this up. It's awesome.
Say something Isagenix.
Isagenix!
Hi guys. How are you? We just watched the sunset on the west coast of Cali, San Diego, celebration 2014 for Isagenix. If you're not a part of the movement, you need to be a part of it. Hi!